Hey guys! Learn Spanish through exciting 360 degrees VR videos. Move your mouse or finger on the video to explore in 360 degrees. Look for items according to Spanish words. Find here.
Árbol de Navidad. Árbol de Navidad.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Find here.
Cama. Cama.
Bed. Bed. Find here.
Chimenea. Chimenea.
Fireplace. Fireplace. Find here.
Cuadro. Cuadro.
Picture. Picture. Find here.
Ventana. Ventana.
Window. Window. Find here.
Cortinas. Cortinas.
Curtains. Curtains. Find here.
Lámpara. Lámpara.
Lamp. Lamp. Find here.
Techo. Techo.
Ceiling. Ceiling. Find here.
Espejo. Espejo.
Mirror. Mirror. Find here.
Planta de interior. Planta de interior.
Houseplant. Houseplant. Find here.
Almohada. Almohada.
Pillow. Pillow. Find here.
Fuego. Fuego.
Fire. Fire. Did you like it?